In this tutorial, you will learn how to add words to whole column of the cells. For example, we have the situation when there are a big column with different type of cells and we just need to change one letter. This is our case. To start, just add one column above and write the numbers. Then, you need to copy these numbers to another cells. As you can see, our table is almost ready, but you need to go to the sorter filter and choose custom sort. Press options sort by left and also sort by row 1. So, after each cell, we have one empty. Finally, we need to write our formula. In the empty cell, put equal and choose the cell that you need to change. In our case is A1. Then add %, brackets. In the brackets you need to write the letter or the word that you want to change. As a result, to the stage 46 was added letter B. Drag the formula to selected cells that you need, in order to apply all changes. Put your like and subscribe to the channel.